Welcome to a juicy adventure with watermelon, the ultimate summer fruit. On a hot summer day, you take a bite of a perfectly ripe watermelon slice. Boom! The explosion of sweet juiciness floods your taste buds, instantly cooling you down. Watermelon benefits unveiled. 5 crispy points you need to know. First, hydration haven. With its 92% water content, the watermelon keeps you cool, refreshed, and hydrated during scorching summer days. Second, immune powerhouse. Packed with vitamins A and C, watermelon fortifies your immune system, bolstering your body's defense against illness. Third, digestive delight. High in fiber, watermelon aids digestion, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience while keeping your gut happy. Fourth, heart's best friend. Lycopene, an antioxidant abundant in watermelon, supports a healthy heart, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Fifth, skin glow getter. Say hello to a radiant complexion. Watermelon's hydrating properties and skin-loving nutrients contribute to youthful, glowing skin. Dive into the juicy world of watermelon and make this summer unforgettable. To get more videos tuned with, for sure health, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.